Hey guys, welcome to Truptwellness. I am Dr. Trupti and I am back with a new traditional recipe for postpartum phase. This recipe is super beneficial for both postpartum and lactating mothers. The name of the recipe is Fenugreek and dill seeds water. It is very famous as Suwa Methi Pani. Yes, and you would like to know this that there was a research done in 2018 on 122 mothers. They were given fenugreek daily for 1 month and they showed a significant rise or increase in the breast milk production. This magical drink not only improves your breast milk supply but it is super energetic, so it helps you to recover from that fatigue which is very draining in postpartum period and lactating period. Second one is it helps to reduce the vitiated vata dosha which gives rise to the colic or pains, that after delivery pains. It has the property of wound healing and so it is also advisable or recommended in post C-section moms. Let's see the recipe now. Now let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe. The first one is fenugreek seeds. These are also called as methi dana and we call it as methika in Ayurveda. These seeds are bitter in taste and it has the quality of reducing vitiated vata. The second one is dill seeds. These are called as suva or shepa in regional language and we call it as shatapushpa in Ayurveda. These seeds also has the quality of reducing vata and kapha dosha in the body. They are also a very good digestive stimulant. The third ingredient is jaggery. As I always say, use Puran Gud, means the old jaggery, the jaggery which is used after 1 year of its preparation. This is also called as organic jaggery nowadays in the market. It is bit darker in color. The fourth ingredient is ghee. Here I have taken A2 Gir cow ghee, which has more benefits as compared to the other ghee. Now let's start the process. So first you have to soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of dill seeds in a bowl. I am adding 50-50 ml of water to each of these seeds. And we have to keep these seeds to soak overnight. After soaking overnight, you can see the color of water changes and also the fenugreek seed swells up a little. They get softer too. Now take both the seeds along with water in a vessel. We have to boil this water now. So boil this water for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep on checking. We need to boil this till the seeds starts moving. After 15 to 20 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery to this mixture. This jaggery provides energy in the fatigue days of postpartum and also it helps in the faster recovery. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is very important here because fenugreek seeds tends to increase pitta in the body. In order to balance that pitta, this ghee plays a very important role to balance the doshas. So do not forget to add ghee. Also, ghee has the quality of Vat Shaman, which is the intention of this recipe. Once the ghee and jaggery are mixed properly, off the flame and take down the mixture. Filter this mixture and your recipe is ready. Now let's see the benefits. As per Ayurveda, Shatapushpa or dill seeds are Shatapushpa Laghu Tikshna Pitta Kruta Deepani Katuhu Ushna Jwarani Shleshma Vranashula Akshirogarita. These are the qualities of dill seeds mentioned in Bhav Prakash. It says that these seeds are Ushna Viryatmak, means it has hot potency and they provide warmth to your body, which is very necessary during postpartum phase. It has the capacity of Vat Shaman, means reducing the vitiated Vat and Kapha dosha. Simultaneously, it slightly increases the Pitta dosha, and this is the reason why we add ghee in this recipe to balance that dose, as I have said earlier too. This also reduces the jwara. Jwar or fever is the most dangerous condition, or it is a life risk condition for mother in postpartum time. Dill seeds has the capacity to increase the digestive fire or digestive strength. These seeds have the quality of wound healing, which plays vital role in both the episiotomy stitches as well as the C-section stitches. The strength of your eyes or the quality of your vision hampers post-delivery or post-childbirth process, and these seeds are very good in eye disorders. Second important ingredient is Methika or fenugreek seeds. Methika Katur Ushna Cha Rakta Pitta Prakopani Arochaka Hara Diptikara Vatagna Deepani. The qualities of fenugreek seeds mentioned in Raj Nighintu are, these seeds are also Ushna, so again they provide the warmth and increases Pitta dosha. So here ghee is important again. Next important point, it is helps to improve the appetite, which reduces post-childbirth. Fenugreek seeds are called natural galactogogues, means it improves the breast milk production or supply. It is due to phytoestrogens. These are nothing but the plant-based chemicals which are similar to estrogen hormone. And last is dosage. So you can take about 60 to 80 ml of this water daily, especially in morning hours. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to share with your community. I will meet with one more recipe in next episode. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.